Many of you guys have seen this viral video, but what you don't know is the kangaroo is a very well-known sport Roo-Jitsu practitioner. He has the dog in a Roo naked choke. The man comes to rescue his dog. Wha-pow! 2 times and slow motion. Boom! So even though this kangaroo has been training for many years, it's clear that sport Roo-Jitsu does not teach the distance management, the punch protection, or anything else you need for a real bush fight. Now compare that to this classic match between the Kung Fu representative on the right and the Gracie Roo-Jitsu practitioner on the left, who trains at our certified training center in Melbourne. Beautiful distance management, clinch, takedown, north-south, stomp kick, and then goes right into the immediate Roo naked choke. Look at the control. Look at the chest pressure. Calm, composed, maintaining perfect pressure while surveying for additional threats, and he's out. To anyone who says that there is no difference between street Roo-Jitsu and sport Roo-Jitsu, you're wrong. There is a difference, and by the time you find out, it'll probably be too late because you'll have been smacked in the face in front of your Roo mates. Unacceptable.
The Machu lioness is approaching now. Okay, these other two lionesses maybe will chase that third one.
Yeah.
Look at them, she's not happy.
They're not happy.
But they're more happy about the buffalo.
Alright.
The stations the Machu lioness is just in the process of being eaten up by the lioness.